The supplements that can be used in scoliosis vary widely depending upon what is going on with that particular person. Here we do a thorough analysis. I have a degree in clinical nutrition. I have a master's degree in Chinese medicine. So we use certain skills to identify what might be triggering the progression of the curve, and then we're going to work to balance those things. No drugs are used here. All the treatment is done with nutritional supplements like vitamins and minerals, or with traditional Chinese medicine, which is a herbal treatment. In the United States, it's illegal to use any animal products in Chinese medicine, so everything is really vegan. There is no even milk products or bone products, nothing like that. Everything is natural, and we use this to balance the body, particularly digestive problems, hormonal problems. These are the sort of things that can be related to the progression of curves. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.